They say that every film lives or dies by one thing.
These nuts.
Yeah. Classic. That's a classic. Okay, wait. Okay, no, get back on track here. Okay, what were you saying? Every film lives or dies by one thing. And that one thing, the way that it feels. Wedding filmmaking is never going to be the same after this. I mean, we got a brand new Mutiply sound pack before we got GTA 6. I mean, let's go. You know what I mean? But also seriously, where is it? If this is your first time here, I'm Jared with an I, and I have been filming weddings for 13 years, and this channel is basically everything I wish I knew before I started filming weddings, and just taking you along the journey, things that I'm learning, things that I'm using to create my films, things like the pack that I'm gonna talk about today. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, it would mean a ton if you consider liking and subscribing. Now, what is the problem that a lot of us filmmakers, storytellers, wedding videographers, what is the big problem that we face when it comes to the edit? A lot of you are probably gonna say, yeah, it's honestly the music. Music is like by far the hardest part of curating and creating a powerful film. And I will agree with you. Music has always been a thorn, but not because of the long hours it takes to find the perfect song, but really because the emotion is already kind of pre-packaged. It's pre-decided in the music that you choose. When you select a song, you're bound to someone else's arc, someone else's tempo, the transitions, the emotional beats that dictates and steers every decision that you make inside the editing room. But that's why I absolutely love this pack that I'm gonna be talking about today and showing you a real example of how it just absolutely transformed my wedding film, because it just gives you a whole new way of thinking about building out your soundtrack. It allows you to extend moments, to build tension, and resolve your story with a powerful impact. Because the way your film flows and feels really lies within how you're structuring your sound design. Now, there's nothing wrong with licensed music. We still need licensed songs for our wedding films. But I was always at the mercy of the song's emotional arcs. And you deserve to be the master of your film's fate and not forced to bend around the song. And that's why I believe this pack is just a cinematic breakthrough. It opens the creative door to so many possibilities. And what makes it so special on this release is because they've partnered with one of the most popular artists amongst the wedding film community, CHPTRS. You know, they are known for their cinematic, heartfelt, and emotionally human music. And what they have built is by far the best collection of raw, intentional melodic sounds that, again, is just opening the door to creative expression as a wedding filmmaker. So let's go ahead and just dive into an example of how this pack can elevate your film. So this is a film I've been working on, and I want to just show you guys how it feels with just a licensed song first. And then we'll compare and contrast with the tonal sounds, how much better it feels and just comes to life emotionally when you add these things.
Maria, when I first saw you, I had a feeling in my stomach that I've never felt. I now know that it was a little nudge from God saying, this is the one. Ever since then, I've loved getting to know you better and growing closer to you. Your joy and excitement for life inspire me every day.
And now here's some restructuring with the tonal sounds added.
Maria, when I first saw you, I had a feeling in my stomach that I've never felt. I now know that it was a little nudge from God saying, this is the one. Ever since then, I've loved getting to know you better and growing closer to you. Your joy and excitement for life inspire me every day.
Jacob, you have made my wildest dreams come true in the way that you love me. Your love is a gift, and I will treasure it always. You are a wise, patient, and caring leader, and I'm so blessed that you will lead our family.
I love you, Maria, and I promise to love you for the rest of our lives.
honestly, it's just hauntingly beautiful. And I love the ability to create my own feeling. I love the ability to have the freedom to layer and structure my edit the way that I feel that it's best for the story, and not, again, being bound to the emotional arcs of the prepackaged song. And the best part about these packs is they're not generic sound effects. These aren't your random whooshes or pre-written songs. These are textures and melodies and tonal hits to really elevate your film's emotional impact. They're designed to move with your story. It really gives you the freedom to extend a moment, to shift the emotion, to build tension and resolve with impact. And you can see here that a big chunk of my film is structured with tonal sounds versus a prepackaged song. Now, the song's still there, but I get to control how all of these layers flow together. And to me, that's a powerful thing. And the best part is that you don't have to be a professional musician, a sound designer, audio engineer. I'm certainly not. I did all of this by relying on a very old trick when it came to finding all my music for my films, and that's just matching the same key. So my main soundtrack is in the key of C. So I just pulled up the Mutiply Sound Chapters collection, pulled out some textures, some melodies, some hits, some risers, to really just build a raw, intentional soundtrack. And that's why Mutiply Sound, and this collaboration specifically, is an absolute game changer. Because Chapters aren't just musicians, they're the most licensed artists of 2023, I think. Someone can stop me if I'm incorrect there, but they are really popular, again, in the wedding film world, and I have used their songs, I can't tell you how many times. But it's always one of those things where I go to Music Bed, I'm like, you know what? Chapters is just, it's too good. It's too good not to use. So the fact that we have a tonal sound collaboration with one of the best artists is just absolutely incredible. And if you're ever struggling with how to use this pack, you can really just keep it simple. You can make it as straightforward or as complex as you want it. Because remember, you're not just a videographer anymore. You're a storyteller, and your soundtrack is your most powerful ally. Licensed music still has its place, but with tonal sounds added, you get to be the captain of your film's destination. And you're no longer trapped in a single song's emotional structure. You now have the tools to craft, to play, to let your film breathe, and to feel on your terms. And the Mutiply Sound and Chapters collection isn't just another sound effects pack. This is honestly, in my opinion, the next wave of wedding filmmaking. This is gonna allow you to create films that just breathe, that move, that feel so much deeper, so much emotionally resonant than they ever have before. So if you're interested in checking this pack out, finding out some more information, you can find the link down below. And Boomer has been gracious and kind enough to offer you guys 30% off. So be sure to use my code WN30 at checkout so that you can grab that discount and start creating these incredible films that your couples deserve. I can't wait to see what you guys make with this pack. It's absolutely incredible. I've been loving it so much. It's literally just given me so much inspiration and fire to create again, which is honestly what I've been needing. But that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and valuable in some way. If you did, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing. Drop a comment below. And until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.